Hello everybody, I'm going to review this. The Jamie Oliver flavor packed speedy size Riz el-hanout. I probably didn't say that right. 4 grains, burgle, wheat, pearl barley, red quinoa, and chickpeas spiced up with raz, elu, and apricots. Okay, so we'll put that in the microwave for 90 seconds. Oh, I don't think do I need to vent it? Wait. Oh yeah, I have to squeeze it first, and then open it like this. Then we'll wait. I'll pause it till it's done. Okay, and I forgot to say, oh, it's hot. 380 calories, 10 grams of fat, 2 grams saturated fat, 65 grams carbohydrate, 11 gram fiber, 8 grams sugar, 12 gram protein, 560 milligrams sodium, 700 milligram potassium, 75 milligram calcium, and 6 milligram iron. So yeah, let's just open it. Oh, woo! Oh, it smells good. Okay, I'm gonna try some. If I don't like it is, I'll just add soy sauce. But it smells good. It's quite good. What does it taste like? It tastes like, I don't know, like, I guess I don't really know what raz el-hanout is, but it probably tastes like that. It's pretty good. It's kind of spicy. I give it a 7 out of 10.